Hello children, today we are going to start chapter 8, that is fraction. Now what is fraction? Fraction is part of a whole. Part of a whole means पूरी एक shape का part. And this shape has how many parts? This shape has 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So equal. How many equal parts are there? 8 parts are equal. And in how many parts it has been divided? 8 parts. How many parts are shaded? 6. How many unshaded? 2. So our fraction will be 6 upon 8 for shaded part and 2 upon 8 for unshaded part. So the top part is called numerator and bottom part is called denominator. So the shaded part 6 by 8, unshaded part का fraction क्या हो गया? 2 by 8. When we add these two, shaded and unshaded, we get total 8 parts in all. So 8 upon 8 means one full shape. 8 upon 8 means 8 parts out of 8 parts. 8 parts out of 8 parts means one full shape. Means denominator is equal to numerator. Then we get one full shape. So what is fraction now? Part of a whole. And when denominator and numerator become equal, it becomes full shape. Now come to the exercise 8.1, and question B is, how many make a whole shape? Halves or 1 by 2 means the shape has been divided into 2 parts. Because denominator is 2 means shape has been divided into 2 parts and the fraction is 1 by 2. How can we make a whole shape? Just now we have studied कैसे ये whole shape बन जाएगी? When numerator and denominator becomes equal, the fraction becomes whole shape. So we write 2 here. 2 upon 2 means one full shape. So take second part. 1/4. 1/4 means 1 upon 4. A shape has been divided into 4 equal parts and we have taken one part. How can we make a whole shape? When we write 4 in the numerator and 4 in denominator, our shape becomes a whole shape. हमारी shape पूरी one shape बन जाएगी, एक shape हो जाएगी. Similarly, you will do all parts. Now question C is, fill in the numerator to make a whole. The concept is same. You have to write the numerator here. Numerator equal to denominator makes one whole. So you write the same number in the numerator, you will get a whole. So 4 upon 4 is whole. 6 upon 6 is whole. 3 upon 3 is whole. In the same way you will do all parts. Now question D. Fill in the denominator to make a whole. This question is same as question C. Here you have to write the denominator. So numerator equal to denominator we know makes a whole. So we will write the same number here. 5 upon 5, 3 upon 3, 9 upon 9. In the same way you will do all parts. Next topic we will learn is equivalent fractions. Means fractions having same value. Here this figure has been divided into 2 parts. This figure in 4 parts and this figure in 8 parts. And you have taken only one part of it. The fraction is 1 by 2. You have taken 2 parts of it. Fraction is 2 by 4. Here you have taken 8 parts of it and the fraction is 8 upon 16. But what we see, the shaded part is same. Here you see half, here you see half, here you see half. Means you are getting same value of the shape. Either you divide it in 4 parts, 2 parts or 16 parts. So you are getting same value, half share and half share of a thing. We have learned what is equivalent fraction. Fractions having same value. Now come to exercise 8.2. Question A is, look at the figures and write equivalent fractions. Now the first part is, this figure is divided into 2 parts and this figure is divided into 4 parts. Here one part is shaded, so you will write 1/2, and here 2 parts are shaded, means 2/4. So this part is equal to this part. So this is the equivalent fraction. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Second part, this shape is divided into 2 parts and this shape is divided into 6 parts. Here one part is shaded out of 2. Here 3 parts are shaded out of 6. So this is the equivalent fraction of 1/2, that is 3/6. In the same way you will do all parts. Question B is fill in the box to make equivalent fractions. How can we make equivalent fractions? When we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Now 5/5. If we multiply 1/2 by 5/5, we get its equivalent fraction. So 1 into 5 is 5 and 2 into 5 is 10. So the equivalent fraction of 1/2 is 5/10. Now second part is 1/4 into 3/3. So 1 is multiplied by 3 is 3 and 4 is multiplied by 3 is 12. So the equivalent fraction of 1/4 is 3/12. So what is the rule? We multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Question C is fill in the box to make equivalent fractions. The first part is 1/2 equal to dash upon 8. You have to find out the missing numerator here. So what you do? You divide the given denominators here. 8 divided by 2. What you have got? 4. So you will multiply. If you multiply 1 into 4, you get 4. Similarly, if you multiply 2 by 4, you get 8. So 2 into 4 is 8. 1 into 4 is 4. So the fraction is 4/8. Second part, 1/3 is equal to dash upon 12. Again, you divide denominators. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So you will multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So 1 into 4 is 4 and 3 into 4 is 12. So you have got this missing number 4 here. Now take fifth part. 2/3 equal to 4/dash. Here you have to find the missing denominator. What you will do? You will divide 4 by 2. You will get 2. And you will multiply 3 into 2. You will get 6. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. So the fraction is 4/6. In the same way, you will do all parts. That's all for today. Bye-bye.